So I'm making a minor repair here on this Ford F-150, my current Craigslist purchase, and got into one thing that seems to be pretty prevalent on these in the Expeditions and the Navigators, and that is the overhead console. The compass or the temperature compass combination doesn't work anymore. Just totally out and blank. So like I said, that seems to be common. So I found some online instructions on how to repair this issue. So I'm just going to show you what I'm doing real quick to give you a little video tip. And this thing is apart, but it's not hard to get all this apart at all. All you're going to do is you're going to take the overhead console out when you're looking at it from the bottom. You're going to have one Phillips screw up towards the windshield. You're going to take that out, and then the back just pops out. You're just going to pull it down, and you're going to have a plug up here. If you look at this, whatever way that's oriented, you're going to have a plug right there you're going to need to detach. And you're going to come in here and you're going to remove this assembly, and you're going to see 4 of these T10 little screws right here. So you're going to take all 4 of those out. This assembly is going to lift out. There's going to be a green piece of lens on here that you're going to undo. These 4 little clips that go along each side here. There's 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and they correspond with this and this. And same thing on that side there, that and that, so that that's how you get all this apart. And once you get it apart, you're going to be down to the meat and potatoes of this thing. You're going to have a circuit board in here which is going to lift. You just pull it gently up and out. Be careful of this display right here. Try not to hit that. It's your display. So this is exactly the same issue that I had to repair on that 1999 Buick Regal I had. So I'm trying to get this thing maneuvered around here so I can show you. And what happens is, I guess they had over in Singapore where they made this circuit board, they had the same skilled soldering craftsmen that they did over there, and same thing happened. If you look now, probably this camera is a poor camera, but if you look right there, you've got those 2 resistor packs there, just 2 single resistors with 510 on them. Now if you look at this end of them, try to get you in there with some light. Let's see if we can get in close here, let the camera do its thing. Okay, if I look at that end of it, I can see clearly that that is a good solder joint, but you have to really kind of peek through there. But look at the other end of that. Let's see if we can get in closer. The camera's going to flip out, I guess. Let's see if we can make it do something here. Come on, camera. Man, it don't want to do anything now. Okay, look at the end of that resistor I just showed you. See those 2 on the far side? If you're looking through those bars where that circuit, that display is mounted, you can see there that there's absolutely a crack in that one nearest to the camera. That solder joint is cracked apart. You have to look real close at that, but that's what the problem is. You know, it looks like, well, that wouldn't cause any problems, but it sure does. Right there, see it? Right dead ahead right there. So anyway, they're both like that. Both of those are cracked open on the side closest to this display here, and that will shut it down. So that's exactly what happens on those climate control modules on the Buicks. So I'm going to go ahead and resolder those, and that should get this thing back up and running. So if you have one of these vehicles I just told you about, F-150, F-250, whatever, Expedition, Navigator, any variety of the aforementioned vehicles, then if you got one of these climate control modules, or these, I'm sorry, these compass assemblies that just went dead on you, then that's how you're going to fix it. I'd be surprised if it doesn't fix it. So anyway, let's get on with that and get her fixed. Thanks for watching.